Established on November 5, 1999, Shenzhen Zhilai Science and Technology Company Limited, Zhilai, became a listed company in A-share GEM on April 22, 2019. Stock name Zhilai Tech, stock code 300771. The company is a national high-tech enterprise specializing in R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service of smart storage and delivery, and a comprehensive solution provider with strong capabilities in research and development and global supply. Zhilai has been focusing on the smart storage and delivery industry for more than 20 years, with a wide range of businesses, such as smart storage equipment, smart delivery equipment, vending machine, and other automated equipment for the markets of logistics, digital medical care, e-commerce, retail, and smart grid. Zhilai has gained over 20 patents and nearly 100 software intellectual property rights in the logistic industry. And some products have passed the certification of CE, UL, and FCC. With years of experiences, complete R&D system, and strong manufacturing capabilities, Zhilai has launched a series of high-quality and competitive products to meet a variety of customer demands, such as parcel locker, electric storage locker, vending machine, smart fresh food locker, and medical behavior management system for operating room, vending machine, residential ESS battery, etc. Zhilai products have been widely used in education, medical care, real estate, government, retail, and other areas, which have been highly recognized in China, North American, European, and other markets.